I bet you had no idea just how insanely capable the Flipper Zero actually is. This tiny gadget is way more than a cute little dolphin toy. It's basically a hacker's multi-tool packed into your pocket. Seriously, this thing can pull off some wild tech tricks. And today, we're diving deep into 10 features and hacks most people never even knew existed. We're going to explore how this compact device unlocks a whole new level of tech experimentation. Whether you're a cybersecurity enthusiast or just curious about what this beast can really do, stick around. We'll reveal hidden functions, advanced tricks, and creative uses that will completely change the way you look at the Flipper Zero. We're talking smart home control, signal testing, wireless interactions, and maybe even confusing a few friends along the way. We'll also go over setup tips, customization ideas, and practical tech experiments that make you feel like you've unlocked real-life superpowers. So grab your flipper, make sure the battery's charged, and let's jump right into it. First, let's talk about why the Flipper Zero stands out so much. This device feels like something straight out of a cyberpunk movie. Imagine carrying a gadget capable of interacting with countless electronic systems around you. That's exactly what the Flipper Zero does. Think of it as a supercharged universal remote mixed with a portable hacking lab. And no, it's not only for changing TV channels at your grandma's house. We're talking about interacting with technology in ways most people never realize are possible. The Flipper Zero can scan RFID tags, emulate access cards, detect Bluetooth devices, and so much more. It's honestly crazy. A good way to think about it is this. The Flipper Zero lets you see the invisible layer of radio signals and wireless communication constantly happening around us. It gives you a peek behind the scenes so you can understand how devices communicate and maybe experiment with them a little. Now, before anyone gets the wrong idea, let me make one thing clear. Powerful tools come with responsibility. Everything we're covering today should be used legally and ethically. This isn't about causing problems or breaking into systems. It's about learning how technology works, exploring cybersecurity concepts, and expanding your technical knowledge. Think of yourself as a digital explorer discovering hidden parts of the tech world. So, if you're ready to unlock what the Flipper Zero is really capable of, buckle up because things are about to get interesting. Let's be honest. Dealing with a pile of remotes for your TV, speakers, air conditioner, and random electronics is incredibly annoying. Thankfully, the Flipper Zero can replace almost all of them. This little gadget can capture and replay infrared signals from most remote controls, turning it into the ultimate universal remote. Just point your original remote at the flipper, record the signal, and you're ready to go. But here's where it becomes even cooler. The Flipper Zero can store tons of different remotes at once, meaning you can finally clean out that drawer full of old controllers. You can even customize layouts and create your own shortcut commands. Picture this. You walk into your room, press one button on the flipper, and suddenly your TV powers on. The lights dim, and your music starts playing automatically. It feels like having your own mini smart assistant. And it's not limited to entertainment either. You can use it for projectors, office devices, and other infrared gadgets. Just maybe don't prank your coworkers too hard. Seriously though, the infrared features are surprisingly useful and ridiculously easy to set up. Once you start using it, you'll wonder how you lived without it. Now, let's move into RFID technology because this is where things get really interesting. RFID stands for Radio Frequency Identification, and it's used everywhere from building access cards to payment systems and inventory tracking. One of the Flipper Zero's most powerful abilities is reading, emulating, and even writing RFID tags. In simple terms, it can copy and simulate certain types of keycards. But before you start imagining spy movie scenarios, remember that unauthorized access is illegal and completely off-limits. The purpose here is education and security research. The Flipper Zero can help you understand how RFID systems work and even test the security of systems you own. You can study how access cards communicate, experiment with RFID tags, or create custom tags for projects and automation. It's an amazing learning tool for anyone interested in wireless technology and cybersecurity. Just remember to use these features responsibly and always stay within legal boundaries. Next up is NFC, or Near Field Communication. You already use NFC every day if you make contactless payments with your phone. But the Flipper Zero takes NFC experimentation to another level. Its NFC reader and writer open up endless possibilities for automation and smart interactions. Imagine tapping your flipper on an NFC tag next to your bed and instantly having your phone connect to Wi-Fi, set your alarm, and activate sleep mode. Or maybe scanning a tag that launches your workout playlist the moment you walk into the gym. The best part is that NFC tags are cheap and easy to buy online. You can even design your own custom tags with unique colors or stickers. The Flipper Zero makes it incredibly simple to integrate NFC into your daily routines. Once you start experimenting with NFC automation, you quickly realize how convenient and futuristic it feels. Now let's talk Bluetooth. The Flipper Zero can scan and detect nearby Bluetooth signals, which makes it extremely useful for troubleshooting and security testing. Think of it like X-ray vision for wireless devices. You can identify nearby Bluetooth gadgets, inspect certain signal information, and better understand how devices communicate wirelessly. Of course, privacy matters, and intercepting private communications is completely off-limits. The goal here is education and awareness. You can use the Flipper Zero to check if your own devices are paired securely, troubleshoot connectivity issues, or learn more about Bluetooth security. All right, now we're stepping into more advanced territory. Signal analysis and wireless testing are some of the most powerful features associated with the Flipper Zero. This device can analyze various radio frequencies used by things like garage remotes, wireless systems, and other electronics. And yes, some people experiment with signal interference, but intentionally disrupting communications or networks is illegal and should never be done. We're focusing strictly on legal learning and experimentation. Next, let's discuss one of the most talked about cybersecurity concepts out there, the BadUSB attack. Don't panic. We're not turning your flipper into some dangerous hacking weapon. Instead, we're learning how these attacks work so we can better protect ourselves. BadUSB attacks exploit the trust computer's place in USB devices. A malicious USB device can pretend to be a keyboard and automatically execute commands on a computer. The Flipper Zero can simulate USB devices in controlled environments, making it an excellent educational tool for demonstrating these risks safely. For example, you could create harmless demos that automatically type text or open a website. The point is to understand why USB security matters and why blindly plugging unknown devices into your computer is risky. Now let's return to infrared, but this time for smart home control. Beyond TVs and entertainment systems, the Flipper Zero can interact with many smart devices that rely on infrared communication. We're talking air conditioners, smart lighting systems, and other home electronics. Imagine walking into your house and controlling multiple devices from a single pocket-sized gadget. The Flipper Zero makes that surprisingly simple. Because it supports custom commands and automation, you can build personalized routines that control several devices at once. It feels like having a futuristic control center right in your hand. The interface is beginner-friendly, and there's a huge library of community-created infrared codes available online. For the electronics fans out there, this next feature is huge. The Flipper Zero includes GPIO pins, which stand for General Purpose Input and Output. These pins let you connect the device to external electronics and hardware projects. In other words, the flipper can interact directly with circuits, sensors, LEDs, microcontrollers, and more. You can connect it to devices like Arduino boards for experimenting with electronics projects, or use it as a debugging tool for hardware testing. Combined with the open-source community surrounding the Flipper Zero, the GPIO functionality makes this device incredibly versatile for makers and hardware enthusiasts. It's basically a portable electronics lab that fits in your pocket. Finally, let's talk custom firmware, because this is where the Flipper Zero community really shines. Think of firmware as the operating system running on the device. Custom firmware allows developers to expand functionality, improve performance, and add entirely new features. Since the Flipper Zero is open source, there's a massive community constantly building creative tools and enhancements. Want additional protocol support? There's probably firmware for it. Want new interface designs or expanded features? The community has you covered. Of course, installing custom firmware should always be done carefully, because mistakes can potentially damage the software setup on your device. But if you do research and follow instructions properly, custom firmware unlocks a whole new world of possibilities. If you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel,